Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us and welcome to a beautiful day in Bowling Green, Kentucky. A hot day, but a beautiful day at the National Corvette Museum. And I have to tell you, folks, it really is an honor to have the opportunity to earn your business no matter what state that you're in. And it's even more of a thrill for me when I have an opportunity to share the delivery experience. That's what we're going to do for you today. Brad and Lori are here from Albuquerque, New Mexico, picking up a new Z06. So they get ready to do the orientation. Brad's wife, Lori, couldn't make the trip. He's here with his son. They're actually going to ship the car back to New Mexico. And he and I, like I do every time with you guys when we order a car, we spend a lot of time reviewing the spec, answering questions. We suggested these wheels for him, going with his chrome badges on Z06. Has the engine appearance package. Competition seats with the red stitch, level 2 carbon fiber. Stealth package. Brad, you did a good job, buddy. It's got body color accents. Has the grille guards that we can order from Chevrolet, but in the Corvette Museum store, Brad bought the side inlet guards, and then just pay a small fee to the museum when you're here for your delivery, and they put those on. You guys really need those. We just had a client in service. I was telling Brad, we had a client in service just recently. They were in an E-Race, so still wide body like Z06. Driving, got debris, went through that, went right through the radiator. That wouldn't happen if we had those grille guards. So Chevy, why can't we order that other car for our customers yet? Just saying. All right, guys, we'll introduce you to Brad here in just a moment. He's in the Corvette Museum store doing all that goes with your delivery at the National Corvette Museum. If you remember, most recently we were here, 2 ZR1s, and the following day another ZR1 left. But unfortunately, there are no ZR1s on the floor today. There's a beautiful E-Ray right here, though. You never know who we're going to run into on the boulevard. Here's Ryan from Communications at the National Corvette Museum and Marketing. Just told me something really neat. Look at this tidbit, guys. I'm glad you shared this with me, man. Car and Driver, this is the new Car and Driver.
New Car and Driver, yes, sir.
Coming out. Tell the folks what the significance of all this is.
Well, 70th anniversary of Car and Driver. So this is a Corvette ZR1, and this is the ZR1 that was here for the Bash. Chevrolet kept it here, and then Car and Driver came, and these are all Corvettes from our collection surrounding it. So
from the Corvette Museum.
These are Corvette Museum collection cars here. So you have this ZR1 is actually on display in the gateway right now.
Oh, no kidding.
And then on the inside, they give us a little extra love here, talk about the museum, talk about some of the collection, but just a great piece right here. So, I mean, again, how incredible to have the history of Corvette right here on the cover of Car and Driver, all tied back to the museum.
That's one, you know, it's crazy. As many car people are out there, there's still people that don't know about the National Corvette Museum.
Absolutely.
Whether you're a Corvette person or not, this is still a place you need to come.
This is the home. Absolutely. And it's things like this, stuff like you that get the word out.
Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate that, Ryan. That's awesome, man. Thank you. through his orientation right now, but I just want to say something to you guys. So many of you that have walked up to me here on the boulevard at the National Corvette Museum, and you do that every time that we're here, and it really means a lot. Thank you for acknowledging me, my efforts, the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your business considerations. It's nice to meet you guys. I really do appreciate that. Not sure if we mentioned it, but you guys can notice this car has the body color accents. Just makes it sporty and classy at the same time. It's the moment you've been waiting for. It's the moment the customer's waiting for. After all the orientation, like, okay, let's go, I want to drive my car. Unfortunately, he's shipping the car back to New Mexico. Congratulations, thank you for the business. Really appreciate the opportunity. And yes, of course, when you roll out for your send-off, Pat, off the boulevard of the National Corvette Museum in a hardtop convertible, the top needs to be down. Fantastic. Congratulations, Brad and Larry. We've got the send-off pad for you. Yeah. Rub the ring. He's got the clear wicker in the center. We're going to rub that too. Yeah. Thanks for the business, guys. Get some outside pictures, and before we go in today's upload, I'm going to go across the street to the NCM Motorsports Park. I want to remind you about the event coming up in October. All right, a little overcast, but that's okay. But oh wow, is that classy? Nice job, Brad. Nice job. Looks good, man. Forgot to ask you, what did you put on your plaque? What is on your custom plaque?
You familiar with cars?
Yes.
Yeah, so it says faster than fast, Chow.
Ka-chow! Ka-chow!
That was a family show that we enjoyed watching, and
oh gosh, yes,
grandkids we enjoy watching.
That is funny, man. Ka-chow! Okay, I want you guys to meet Brad. He is from Albuquerque, New Mexico. I get so excited being a part of these deliveries, and we were just before the camera went on, we're talking about the specs. So you're really happy with what you built?
Absolutely, absolutely, and your input was fantastic. So thanks, it's just over the top.
I think you did a great job.
Oh, thank you.
We got a 3LZ here. We've got level 2 carbon fiber. We've got the stealth package in here. Hardtop convertible. My gosh, this is the sweet spot. Museum delivery.
And the plaque back here.
Yeah, and the plaque. Dude, that's actually pretty funny. I really like that. How many Corvettes have you had?
This is the second one.
Second one. So you had the C7.
Had the C7 for 10 years. Okay. 2014 Z51. Great car, 7-speed manual.
Oh, nice.
2LZ. It was a great car, and decided with, I guess I'd call it retirement coming up. This was a great way to do it. So.
Well, don't forget to use the paddles. That'll give you a little bit of that.
I understand. He showed me on the driving out. Ethan did. You can pull the 2 paddles and basically put it in neutral and
right, and rev it. Yeah, going underneath bridges and tunnels and stuff.
Like pushing a clutch in. So.
That's right. You also did the engine appearance package. I was showing that earlier in the upload, and it's beautiful because that intake is only available in the one color from Chevrolet, but incidentally, it matches your red mist.
It matches.
Dude, it looks fantastic.
Oh, the whole thing, the calipers.
Yes.
The wheels with the silver trim on the red, just everything.
Yeah. I'm glad you're happy.
Came out really nice. You know how many hours spent on a configurator?
Yes, I do. A lot. Yes, I do. I was going to ask you, how did you hear about us to begin with? Was it through the channel, or how did you stumble across us?
So yeah, it's kind of interesting. For men out there, make sure you get your PSA test, because I had prostate cancer and surgery.
Oh gosh.
And so when I was recovering from that in 2016, I happened to find your channel and started watching. Just got in the Corvette and started watching your channel.
That's back when I just started. I didn't even know what I was doing back then.
So it worked out great. Actually, worked out great. So that's how I ended up. That's how I ended up finding you. So
thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
And we were talking off camera, and some of the folks watching know that I have a lot of customers in Albuquerque, and we're going to be there hopefully in October to see some of these other people. And get a group picture together and kind of hang out maybe at the Bloom Fest. Yeah, that'll be wonderful.
Yeah, the International Bloom Fiesta.
Yes,
absolutely.
We're probably 5 or 10 minutes from some rain.
Okay. All right.
Okay, we'll let you pull it in.
We'll be out of here in a second. Yeah, we probably should pull it in.
I'll let him pull it in.
Actually, there's rain coming right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to cut this short because there's rain coming. Yeah. Hey, nice talking to you.
Hey, yes.
Let's get the heck out of here. That's right. Well, he's shipping it back to New Mexico. I think we're screwed. The rain's coming. I can see it right there. We're done. Yep.
We may want to get it inside. You want to pull it back around?
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, I'll let you pull it in before the
I figured there was a reason that he opened the door. It's like, yeah, I can feel it. It's coming. We're in trouble.
I'm gonna back it straight up.
But I want to thank you seriously for all the support. The opportunity means a lot, man.
Absolutely.
Thank you for that.
Great job.
All right, man. Congratulations.
Thanks.
All right. Tell your wife I said thank you too.
I will.
All right.
So, yeah, you guys take care. See ya.
Guys, while we're this is so much fun. Well, I'm in Bowling Green today sharing this delivery with you. I had to come over to the NCM Motorsports Park and remind you about our track day that myself and Paragon Performance are hosting on October 3rd. Now, the track day portion, it's sold out. That's the level 1 tracking, introducing people to tracking, trying to help you do something different in your life with your Corvette. It's so much fun, you guys, and I try to share that with you on the channel. We come up with an idea. I think I need a visor. We come up with an idea to make this more eventful by involving the karting component. So in the link down below in the very first comment, you can still register. Like I said, the track day itself is sold out, but you can register for the karting, and by doing so, you get a ticket to the luncheon. So you'll join us, all the people that are participating in the track event. You hang out with us, myself, Corey, and the guys at Paragon Performance. And here's the thing about the karting. Whoever has the fastest lap in this go-kart that I'm in right now, you'll get a hot lap ride in a Z06 on the NCM Motorsports Park. Plus, it's a cars and coffee event. Now, that's free. So bring all the Corvettes you can. We got a huge parking lot out here at the NCM Motorsports Park. Cars and coffee, karting, and level 1 tracking. Click that link down below. Thank you for those that registered in advance. I do appreciate that. I hope that the things that I'm doing in my Corvette motivate you to do something different and create memories in your Corvette. Thank you again to the folks at Paragon Performance, the NCM Motorsports Park. This is going to be a fun one. Whether you do this or not, come out here and watch, because the autocross component in the tracking event, yeah, we're doing that as a competition again. 4 trophies up for grab if you can beat me in the autocross. Good luck. Because I think you might need it.